When we want to measure angle as well as to create angular guidelines, we have the tool that is named as Protractor tool, through which we can create these things. So we have this tool here, that is Protractor, and you can see the icon of this tool. As well as under the tool you have this Protractor tool, so you can select it here, and you can see the cursor has changes similar to the rotation tool that we have got. But right now what it will do, if I want to measure this particular angle with this particular base, so what I will do, I will just drag my cursor here. You can see it's along green axis, the vertical axis, and I will just select it, left click it. Now when I drag it, you can see the angle is changing according to that, as well as it created a guideline along with it. So it's quite helpful for us. So if I want to measure this angle, you can see when I click again, I will do it again. What I will do, you can see the angle is shown here is 53.1 degree. So even after clicking here, we can have a guideline which we can replicate later if you want to create more triangle, that is this to have this particular angle here. So we can have something like this. So we can create a triangle whose hypotenuse angle is similar to this. So it's quite helpful for us to replicate the similar angle here and to create what I could say, angular guidelines. The tape measure used to create parallel guidelines, and this Protractor tool used to create angular guidelines. So let's move to the next thing I wanted to share with you, is that how to create roof. Let's create roof on this particular, what we can say, there's a 4 wall or houses here. We want to create a slopey roof, and if you are aware about the roof and its system, we have roof and slope defined before. So they are pretty standard slopes are there, and we have ratios actually, and along with that ratio there comes a degree, and I have remembered some degree which I'm gonna use here, and we can start working on it. Okay, so I want to create a roof that has internal angle is 26.5. so I'll just provide a roof slope from only on 2 sides first. So I'll select Protractor tool, and from there, and I will create a guideline of 26.5, or I will make 30, but still if you want to see it as a standard size, standard angle, it's 26.5. and you can see we have guideline from one side, and we will create another similar guideline from here. Okay, wait, I will make it again. Okay, 26.5. you can see below I am writing the angle here, and now we have triangular demarcations where we can create a triangle. So I'll use my pencil tool, and I will mark this at this particular intersection. So we have a triangle whose internal angles are 26.5, and we can create a roof by using push or pull tool. So we'll click P, and I will drag it till here on this edge, and I will delete the guidelines, and you can see we have a roof or standard roof here, and it's really easy to create a roof here, and the Protractor tool helped us to create proper angle here. So it's helped us a lot. So if I want to create slope from all 4 sides, right now it's 2 sides. If I want to chamfer it from here and chamfer it from here, So what I will do, I will just what I will do, I have to create here, so I will use Protractor tool, and from here to here I'll make it 26.5. but you can see this angle is going, yeah, we need this intersection of this particular angle, but we can't see it here. So for to get this particular point, to have this particular angle at 26.5, we can do another thing, like what we'll do is that we will use tape tool, and we'll drag it from here and until it hover around at the guy, we get a option from that it's the point is on the top of this particular vertex. So we will click it here. You can see there is another guideline we have got, and another time I will drag it here and till the intersection with this particular line we have another guideline, and till here to here we can create another guideline. So we have got this point which will have this intersection if we want the 26.5 degree as a slope roof slope. So I will just create a line here and line here, and this is the pretty much we can do. So I'll erase the guidelines. We have eraser tool, erase the guidelines, and now I will erase the edges, and now you can see we have got a roof which has slope of 26.5, similar to the other two roofs. Let's try this same exercise again. What I did use Protractor tool, and I drag it here, and from here I provided it 26.5, and similar to that I used tape measure tool and hovered around this vertical vertices and till the intersection here, and from there I projected this line to the center ridge of the roof, and from there I used pencil and I added this till here, and I have erased it, this and this, and you can see we have got the chamfered roofs or equal slope roof from all four sides. So it helped out a lot. So try this tool, that is Protractor tool. It will help you when you are going for something new, something complex modeling. It will increase your accuracy. It will help you. So try this tool. Thank you.